Welcome everybody, Jameson C. Montgomery here with you. Now we're going to talk about how honey can really benefit the condition that you're facing, as well as trying to find natural alternatives. Now if you're tuning into this channel, of course you're dealing with Eustachian Tube Dysfunction, tinnitus, or some type of TNJ related issues. But primarily in this video, we're going to talk about how honey can really help with Eustachian Tube Dysfunction. It can really boost your body's antioxidant levels, and it's going to help protect you from free radicals. And what free radicals? Free radicals are the body's way of attracting more inflammation in the body. Free radicals are in our foods. Free radicals are in the air we breathe. So it's really something we need to do to get rid of this condition. The key is to boosting antioxidants. It's lowering inflammation. And honey has been shown to lower inflammation. Now, in some articles you're probably going to read, you're going to see that honey gets knocked for the fact that it does have sugar. It's a sugar base. But the problem is, we're not talking about loads of sugar. We're talking about little bits of sugar, and you only need little bits of sugar for it to do miraculous things. The reason why I say it can help with Eustachian Tube Dysfunction is we're talking about anti-inflammatory foods. And that's what this is. With this condition, you need to be as much anti-inflammatory as you possibly can. All the conditions that we face are all starting from inflammation. Remember that. Inflammation of the sinuses, inflammation of our joints, inflammations of our lungs. I mean, everything starts with inflammation. And we have to make sure that if we're staying near that area of an anti-inflammatory diet, honey is a great way to add just a little bit in your tea. I recommend chamomile tea. For those of you dealing with anxiety and depression, chamomile tea is going to help you with that, as well as the honey is going to give you that little spike that you need. And we're not talking about big giant globs of honey. We're talking about just a little bit of honey, no bigger than a spoonful, and put it into your drink and stir it around. And I guarantee you that doing that consistently is going to help lower the inflammation in the sinuses. It's proven. It's scientifically proven. Now, of course, there's a lot of studies that knock honey. But if it's already proven that it's an anti-inflammatory, how can you knock something of that nature? We're talking in terms, again, of little quantities of it. And I guarantee you that doing that consistently with the things that are going to help your body heal and to fight against this condition is all about having an anti-inflammatory diet, as well as doing things to keep your body balanced. And this is a good way to start to get off some of that medication, because I do know a lot of you all want to get off the medication, or you don't want to begin the medication, and this is a good way to start for you all. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a try. One thing I did want to mention before I leave you here is that you want to make sure that the type of honey that you're consuming is a natural honey. Not some of the honey that you see in stores have a lot of additives in it. If you can find a local market somewhere where it's a farmer's market in your town or city and they sell fresh honey, that's going to be the best for you. All right, everybody, take care. I'll talk to you soon.